So, we're back! Yes! I wish you knew how much I appreciate this moment. The fact that after more than 7 months, I guess, I'm standing here talking to you one more time. Oh god, it means so much to me. I wish I could tell you how much I miss this and how much I missed you guys. Sorry for the long absence. God knows I didn't have the power. You know, after everything that happened in here, even breathing was difficult. But today, here I am to tell you, here we are again. Yes! I received a lot of DMs from you checking on me, asking if I'm still alive. Thank you so much for your kindness. Also, I received about 100 comments, which I haven't replied yet, but from today, I will start replying all of them. I promise. And about the channel, well, actually by making this video, I wanted to ask you a favor. I'm thinking about making a little bit of changes in the channel. For example, maybe redoing some of our old videos because they're not good. Not really. Also, I'm thinking about making short form videos or shorts. If I did, please watch them. So I really appreciate it if you comment down below and tell me what type of content would you like to see in this channel, subjects you're interested in, if there is one of our old videos that you want to see a newer version of, or if you have any type of questions, feel free to ask me. And yeah, also if you're here from Designers channel, nice to meet you guys. I'm so happy to have you here. Designers were such a great family. I had one of my best times with them. I really miss them. I hope we can meet again. It's really nice to have you here. Designers and we made 2 videos which I will share with you soon, so stay tuned. Oh, and Nowruz is on the way! Yes! No matter if you're an Iranian or not, Happy Nowruz to all of you, because to me, Nowruz is the best event ever and I love to share it with others. So Nowruz is on the way. It's on March 23rd, Tuesday, this Tuesday. Happy Nowruz in advance. This year, I'm not gonna make any videos about Nowruz because I made a whole playlist last year, which I'm gonna put here. If you don't know what Nowruz is and our rituals and things like that, please get sure to check them. At the end, we are back stronger and better, but this time I'm gonna really need your support. So if you haven't still subscribed to our channel, please get sure to click the subscribe button. Also, if you like our videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to drop your comments, okay? Love you all guys. See you soon. Bye.